Hey there, welcome, and I'm glad you chose this tutorial. We're going to be talking about how to make a lo-fi beat. It's a very simplistic song. You don't need to know anything about FL Studio. Plugins we're going to be using are Nexus, and included in the link or the PDF that's included with this section, you'll be able to find a link to download that for free. Once you get that, you don't need Nexus. You can use other sound effects to accomplish the same kind of thing. We're just basically building the building blocks. We're going to go over the building blocks of this song so you can get used to music production, so you can feel what it's like to make a song and what is involved in the process. To begin, we're just going to download FL Studio. And like I said, you don't need to know anything about it. Just follow along. The more you follow along, the more you will understand it, which is easier for me because if I try to explain everything to you up front, it's not going to make sense until you actually put it into use. All right, so with that, let's move on.